and Craft.
Hey friends, welcome back to and Crafts, and today's video is very exciting because I am giving the house tour. Just kidding, I am not giving house tour, I am actually creating a house. Look how beautiful it looks. The best thing is that it is foldable. It is a 4-room house which can be folded up into a book. So it is portable and you can carry it anywhere you want, and you can also use it as a decor. You can also tie it up with the ribbon and open it up whenever you want. The first room is the very best, the bedroom. Yes guys, my bedroom is absolutely colorful. As you can see, the wallpaper is the rainbow wallpaper and the wardrobe is so ravishing. I love the stream bedroom and it is totally attractive. I hope you also like it. Then the second room we have is the bathroom. The bathroom has got the bathtub and the wash basin. It has got many beautiful editing as well. Then we have the kitchen. I love the kitchen because I have done so much detailing. Look at the oven and the fridge. They look so attractive. Then our next room is the TV lounge. The TV lounge has a cute couch with the matching mat and it has also got a huge LED. Guys, this project was really huge but was absolutely easy. You can also create it. I hope you like this attractive house. I really did detailed and colorful drawing in it, and most of the furniture is pop-up. You can also create 1, 2, 3 or 4 rooms. It's your choice. Click the subscribe button if you liked it, and let's move on to how to make it. Guys, I'm going to use my Sketchpad paper because it is really hard and strong. To make one room, you will need a square shaped paper, so the size of your room depends on the size of your square.
Oh my god.
Guys, our craft is ready, and in today's video we created this awesome foldable miniature dollhouse. You can also create a paper doll for it so you can play with it, and you can also create more of the pop-up furniture inside it that will look absolutely beautiful. You can also gift it to your close friend. I have created 4 rooms, but you can create less than 4, not more than 4. The best room for me is the bedroom because it is really colorful and I love the wardrobe. You see inside it, it is so attractive and colorful and it has so many cute dresses. I also like the bathroom. It has a bathtub and a wash basin. It also has a bathrobe and a lot of detailing inside it. The best one is the bedroom and the kitchen as well because it looks so attractive. You can also see that I made the spoon stand, mittens and the stove and the oven and the fridge. They all look amazing. Then we have the TV lounge. Overall, I love this house. This is so easy to make and you can also make it for school projects. Guys, I hope you also like this miniature house. Please try it out and comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. This way you can also create small models of your school or of any other restaurant. Guys, I worked the whole week on this video and I hope it really impresses you. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.